Hey fams, what's up? And today I'm going to show you how to skateboard. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Orman and this is Orman to play. And I have so much other videos about to ever use outdoor fun, but today we're going to be focusing on skateboarding. And here's what you'll need. First you'll need a board, some struts and wheels. And if you don't have a board yet, I recommend rubber wheels. They just ride smoother. And a nice board with drip tape, and before you buy it, make sure you just stand on it and see what feels comfortable. Now, first, and you need safety gear, always. Helmets, shoulder pads, everything. And even if you become a professional, it's always best to wear your safety gear, but you never know what to do around. So come on. So first, let's take a board and put it on a dress. And just get comfortable standing on it, okay? Like this, and lean. And if you want, you can loosen your struts or tighten them, whichever feels nice. If you want to turn, just lean easy, back and forward. And there's another way to turn. It's called a tic-tac. Like that. And then just take a while to get comfortable, like this. But when you are get comfortable to do this position. Push, 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 and push. Keep doing that when you feel comfortable. Okay? Then get comfortable on the grass. When you push to your pair and turn that front foot to it. If you want, you don't have to turn the front foot. You can keep it like this. Push, push, push. You can also turn like that. It's your choice. It just feels easier for me to this. So, yeah. And now, if you're ready to get on the concrete or wherever you should ride, I recommend a flat or a little downhill. But it's better if you ride on flat, which we are doing. So, put it down, go down. Remember, but first, jump. So, whenever you put the goofy footed, so everyone is regular. So jump, and which foot comes first, and you feel more comfortable, that's the foot that you're going to be riding with from the front. So this foot came forward, and I feel more comfortable with this. That's the way. And yeah, put your foot here, and yeah. So after you got that, ready? And two baby pushes like this. When you're a bit better, you can go a bit downhill, as I am right now. And you can do this a bit. And remember, when you do downhill, make sure you do baby pushes. You're going to be doing really fast, depending on the side of the hill. You want to do a bit faster, baby pushes. Like this, I'll show you. If you want to just stop and you don't know what to do, that will happen at beginning. So that's why you wear your safety gear. But if you want to stop, see, this is what you should do. You take your board. If you want to stop, put your foot down and do tiny pushes. But if you just put your foot down and the slide that will just do baby pushes and it will stop. And if you want to slow down, it's like to stop, but there's a few ways. One, you can lean to the back a bit, but not too much that you go back. So you slow down. Or when you're on top, you can put your foot like this and bend it. So it's on the floor. Or what you can do, you can, instead of keep putting your baby foots down, like when you want to stop, just do it until you want to slow down a bit, then put it back up. Don't do it till you get a complete stop. So yeah, and that's it for now. But there are more stuff you can do. So that's it for now, but you can learn much more. But now I'm just going to show you some clips of me riding a board. let's start. And guys, this is the big hill, and since it's gonna be fast, so make sure you have a adult with you whenever you do this. But I don't recommend getting used to this doing in flats and small hills. But if you're not a bit used to it, you're ready to go down the big hills. So yeah.
Here we go. Hey, Orman. Hey. Come on.
And guys, that's the video.
So how is the ride?
It's fun, yeah. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And guys, these are some safety tips. Make sure you have a dog with you, and make sure you have gloves and safety gear. Because when I fell, I could have got more hurt, but good thing I had my gloves on. And make sure you have a dog, have all your safety gear, and be careful.
Okay, let's go take a ride. Good job.
And that was the small hill. Now it's time for the big hill. And that, guys, is how to skateboard for beginners. And remember, stay safe, keep exploring, and learn new things. Bye guys. If you like my videos, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and hit the thumbs up button. And you'll be notified to whenever I post a new video. So see you guys. Bye.